day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of The Basic Equation. That's right. Today we're going to be looking at 8 times y is 48. Or you could refer to it as 8 multiplied by a number is 48. Now, we would like to know the value of that number. Now, if you want to figure out the value of an unknown, the variable y in this case, we simply use inverse operations to get that variable by itself on one side of the equal sign. Now, an inverse operation is basically the opposite of what is being done to the variable. In this case, y is being multiplied by 8. So what is the opposite of multiplying by 8? That's right, children. It's dividing by 8. So we're going to divide both sides by 8. Because remember, what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other. And watch what happens when we do that. 8 divided by itself cancels out, leaving y all by itself. Just sitting here on the left side of the equal sign, all lonely, all sad. Let's give it some value. To do that, what we do is we do the 48 divided by 8. And we know that 48 divided by 8 is going to be 6. And now just like that, y has some value. We know that the value of y is 6. Now, you should always go back and plug the value that you come up with into the original equation and see if it makes sense. So let me ask you, does it make sense to say that 8 times the value of y, which is 6, is in fact 48? Well, it makes perfect sense because 8 times 6 is 48. So basically we have 48 is 48. In an equation, both sides got to be equal. This value of 6 makes both sides equal. So it is in fact a solution to the equation. I do hope that was helpful. Good luck to you.